Introducing a powerful AI app for architectural visualization, designed to transform ideas and sketch is a stunning photorealistic renders in seconds. Powered by Google Gemini Pro 3.1, it delivers ultra-detailed 4K architectural images with speed, precision, and professional quality. Access the AI app. Click Render, click Architecture. Upload the image here. Choose the app's preset prompt settings. Choose a style. Context. Lighting. Camera. Materials. You can choose materials or enter the building materials in the prompt box. Choose the aspect ratio. Choose the number of images. Choose the image size 1K to K or 4K. Then click Generate Image. Or copy the prompt and paste it into the prompt box. Click Generate Image. Then wait for the AI app to generate the image in about 10 to 15 seconds. This is the result, a 4K image. Option 1. Option 2. After that, you can change the camera angle. Click Use a source image. Click Camera. Choose the camera angle you want to change. I will choose to change the camera angle from left to right to a 3/4 view. Choose the number of images to generate. Choose the image size. Choose Generate Image. Then wait for the AI app to generate the image in about 10 to 15 seconds. This is the result, a 4K image with exceptional sharpness. Closely preserves all the details and colors of the building. You can create many more different camera angles. You can create a night view rendering. Enter the prompt Create Night Perspective in the prompt box. Click Generate Image. You can edit any detail in the image. Click Edit Image. Click Edit Selection. Brush. Paint over the area you want to change. Enter the changes information you want into the prompt box. Here, I want to change the 2 cars in the garage. I want to add a girl in sportswear walking a dog. Paint over the area you want to change. Enter the information into the prompt box. You can create many artistic close-up views from one original image. Click Use a source image. Click Sync View. Click Architecture. Choose the building type. I want to create a close-up shot of the entrance. Choose the aspect ratio. Number of images. Image size. Click Generate Image. This is the result. Option 1. Option 2. Or you can enter the area you want to create a close-up view of. Click Generate Image. Option 1. Option 2. Then you can create a video by clicking on Video. Click Use the source image. You can choose preset prompts in the Select an Option section. Some preset prompts, such as time-lapse day and night, zoom in, light rain, cloud time-lapse, or enter prompt in the prompt box. Then click Generate Video. Here's the result, 8 south long video with motion and sound. You can download the video here. Other video generation results. Here, I want to zoom in on the entrance area and have the girl and the dog walking in motion. I copy and paste the prompt for creating the video into the prompt box. Then click Generate Video. This is the result. The video is 8 seconds long. The video includes sound and preserves 100% of the building's details and colors. You can download the video here. Other video generation results. Part 2. Interior. Click Render. Click Interior. Upload image here. Choose a prompt. Room type: living room. Style: modern. Lighting: soft natural light. Camera. Material. Aspect ratio: auto, to closely match the proportions of the original image. Number of images: 1. Image size: 4K. Generate image. This is the result. The image is soft, natural, and realistic lighting. After that, you can synchronize the view to create other close-up angles. Click Use a source image. Click Sync View. Click Interior. Choose the detail you want to create a close-up view of. Living room, TV cabinet. Aspect ratio: portrait 3:4. Number of images: 1. Image size: 2K. Click Generate image. This is the result. The image closely follows the details of the TV cabinet, with an artistic blur effect. If you want to zoom in on the dining table, select Kitchen. Choose Dining Table. Click Generate image. This is the result. If you want to zoom in on the sofa, select Living Room. Choose Sofa. Click Generate image. This is the result. Here are other sofa results. You can create a video from an interior image. Click Video. Choose a preset prompt in the Suggestions section. Or copy and paste your prompt into the prompt box. Here, I want to create a day and night time-lapse video. This is an 8-second video with sound and the day-to-night time-lapse lighting effect. You can also create another close-up video. This is the result from another camera angle. Here are other sofa results. You can improve interior render images. Enhance the render using D5 render to make it more realistic and lively, like a real photograph. Lighting and human details will be more accurate and natural. Click Render. Click Interior. Upload the image here. Copy and paste the render enhancement prompt into the prompt box. Choose Aspect Ratio, Auto. Click Generate image. This is the result. A 4K image with exceptional sharpness and detail. You can do the same with exterior images. Enhance blurry, out of focus, low quality images like this into an ultra-realistic, extremely sharp 4K image that looks like a real photograph, while preserving the original colors and materials. You can convert a 2D floor plan into 3D. Click Floor Plan. Upload the image. Select Colorize Plan. Enter your prompt or choose a preset prompt. Choose an option. I select Semi-Realistic Style. Click Generate Image. This is the result. Another example of converting a 2D floor plan into 3D. This is the result. Keep all the original details of the image. Only adjust and add color to the walls and furniture.